Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Render. In my previous video, I was showing you that after breaking out a falling wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart, Render has formed another down channel and it is about to break this channel. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then we can see that we have broken out the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last successful trade of Render that I shared on 14th of January with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Render formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. By the way, it was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down, and once it will be entered this potential reversal zone, then we can expect the next price reversal from here. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line exactly dropped inside this buying zone, and from this buying zone after the completion of this leg, we had a very nice pump, and this was a very huge pump, more than 270% pump against Bitcoin. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move on 12th of November 2022. That was another expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move on a 4-hour time frame chart. This time this pattern was formed with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this leg here, and then we had a nice pump. This was, by the way, more than 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me take you here first on the weekly time frame chart, and then I will also show you this breakout from this down channel as well. On this weekly time frame chart, we have a very nice development, very big bullish development, you can say, because we have already broken out a very long-term down channel, and we broke it out here in the month of October 2022, but got rejected by this resistance of 85 cents. Previously, you can see this level has been breaking as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well, and now we have broken out this resistance and got rejected by this next resistance of $2. And after getting rejected, we almost dropped down at this support of 85 cents, and now after getting bounced, we are still moving at the middle of this resistance of $2 and the support of 85 cents. And during this move, the price line has formed a down channel. First it formed this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout we had a nice short rally, and after that it formed the down channel that I was showing you in my previous video as well. And now recently, a few hours ago, it has broken out the resistance of this channel, and now it is about to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. You can see it is forming higher lows and higher highs as well, and now there is a probability that it may form another higher low and higher high, because there is a double hidden bullish divergence flashed on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that the stochastic is forming lower low, at the same time RSI is also forming lower low, and here the price line is forming higher low. So there is a double hidden bullish divergence flash. Yes, it is possible if the price line may drop more down and form another lower low, then this double hidden bullish divergence can be removed from the chart. But so far we have this double bullish divergence that is a signal for the price reversal. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may form another higher low somewhere here, and after that it may form another high as well. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $1.60, and the target for this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, where we have a very long-term resistance as well, that is at $2, and the final target for this huge breakout from this down channel, and that move is, by the way, still due. You can see so far we have rallied more than 490%, but still it is a very small move as compared to the target for this breakout from this down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, approximately from $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.